What if I told you that just 5 simple exercises could help you lose fat and build a stronger body without a gym and in less time than a Netflix episode? Most people work hard, spend hours exercising, and still don't see real change. Not because they're lazy, but because they're using the wrong approach. The truth is, a few smart movements can do more than long, complicated workouts. These 5 exercises activate multiple muscle groups at once, elevate your heart rate fast, and help your body burn calories long after the workout ends. No equipment, no gym, just results. Quick question, how many of these exercises do you already know? Exercise number 1 is the burpee. And before you roll your eyes, hear me out. This single movement combines a squat, plank, push-up, and jump into one fluid motion that engages every major muscle group in your body. In just 30 seconds of burpees, you can burn more calories than 10 minutes of traditional cardio. The key is proper form and intensity. Start in a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, perform a push-up, jump your feet back to the squat position, then explode upward with your arms overhead. What makes burpees so effective for weight loss isn't just the immediate calorie burn. They create massive oxygen debt, forcing your body to work overtime to recover, which means you're burning calories for hours after your workout ends. Exercise number 2 might surprise you because it's incredibly simple, yet devastatingly effective. Mountain climbers. This exercise transforms your body into a calorie-incinerating machine while strengthening your core, shoulders, and legs simultaneously. Get into a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Now, drive your knees toward your chest alternately as fast as you can while maintaining perfect plank form. The magic of mountain climbers lies in their ability to combine cardiovascular training with strength building. Your heart rate will skyrocket within seconds, but you're also building the lean muscle that keeps your metabolism elevated long after you finish. Aim for 45 seconds of mountain climbers, followed by 15 seconds of rest. The faster you go while maintaining form, the more calories you'll obliterate. Here's where it gets really interesting. Exercise number 3 is the squat jump, and this movement is like having a personal trainer push you to your limits. Regular squats are great, but adding the explosive jump component transforms this exercise into a fat-burning powerhouse that targets your largest muscle groups while sending your heart rate through the roof. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a deep squat by pushing your hips back and keeping your chest up. Then explode upward, jumping as high as possible. Land softly and immediately drop back into the next squat. The continuous motion keeps your muscles under tension, while the explosive movement recruits fast-twitch muscle fibers that burn more calories and build more metabolic muscle. What's happening inside your body during squat jumps is remarkable. You're engaging your glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and core, while forcing your cardiovascular system to work at maximum capacity. This combination creates what experts call compound calorie burn, where you're torching calories from both the strength component and the cardio component simultaneously. Exercise number 4 is going to challenge everything you think you know about effective workouts. High knees seem simple, but when performed correctly, they become one of the most efficient calorie-burning exercises you can do. Stand tall and drive your knees up toward your chest as high as possible while pumping your arms. The key is speed and height. You want to feel like you're running in place on steroids. High knees activate your hip flexors, core, and leg muscles while sending your heart rate into the fat-burning zone within seconds. The rapid movement pattern increases your metabolic rate dramatically, and the constant muscle engagement means you're building lean tissue while burning fat. This exercise is particularly effective because it mimics the natural running motion, but with intensified muscle activation. Perform high knees for 45 seconds at maximum intensity. Rest for 15 seconds. You should feel breathless and energized simultaneously. The beauty of this exercise is that it requires zero equipment and minimal space, making it perfect for home workouts or travel situations. Now, exercise number 5 is the ultimate finisher that will leave your metabolism revving for hours. Jumping jacks might seem old school, but they're included in this routine for a specific scientific reason. This full-body movement engages your legs, core, arms, and shoulders, while providing incredible cardiovascular benefits that torch calories and improve overall fitness. The jumping motion activates your fast-twitch muscle fibers, while the arm movement engages your upper body, creating total body calorie burn. What makes jumping jacks particularly effective for weight loss is their ability to be scaled up or down based on your fitness level while maintaining their fat-burning properties. Beginners can start slower, while advanced individuals can add explosive power to maximize calorie burn. Perform jumping jacks for 1 minute straight, focusing on maintaining proper form throughout. Keep your core engaged, land softly on the balls of your feet, and maintain a steady rhythm. This exercise serves as both a warm-up movement and a high-intensity finisher, making it incredibly versatile for any workout routine.